Dein Song? Schauen wir gleich mal rein, oder? Musikwarenladen, mei, wer hätte das gemeint? Ich hoffe, wie kommt jetzt gleich einer von diesem Gangster-Rappen? Jetzt ist Gangster-Rappen! Oh, hört sich ziemlich noch Gangster-Rappen an. Schau mal. Oh.
You see that dish I walked in with? Well, you give her the star treatment, pal. That'll make it worth your while.
Of course, right away.
Die Puppe.
What is this piece?
It's by Trine, but of course covered by Mr. Reinhardt.
It's lovely.
Gotta find that box.
Schauen wir's ja.
Nothing.
Natürlich nicht. Da müssen wir jetzt alle
Only one place
abgrasen.
left.
Actually, something in this vein. It's almost primal, isn't it? Soft, logic, purely sensual.
The finest music.
Wie hält er durchsuchen? Nix da, nix da, nix da, nix da, nix da. Ja, schafft. Gut, dann gehen wir wieder.
Oh, it's so intoxicating. But also powerful. I must go. I must go. Even one more note shall prove my undoing.
Holzflittchen.
Nothing.
No. Got
Und
one
dem
place
muss
left.
bestimmt sauber gucken mit Hosen gemacht,
Risky,
gell?
fruitless.
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
Gut, dann schauen wir dafür.
Straight shooter, one of us.
I don't want to follow one of us.
Probably some teetotaler. Don't trust the man, don't.
Guter Ansatz. Vertrauen niemand, der mindestens den Ohren hebt.
Hunting got taken up by Ryan's goons for one reason.
Aha, Artist Struggle. Dies wird's wohl sein.
All that unpleasant.
Oh, ich bin mir nicht sicher, ob die Kunst von Rapture singen möchte. Ist, glaube ich, ist halt. Ansehnlich. Ansehnlich.
Take your time. Take it all in.
Hey, pal. You want to help out the little lady?
Yes, of course.
Auf geht's, Bür.
Interesting, isn't it? An original Sander Cohen. He calls it miasma.
I'm sorry, but I know precious little about art.
How does it make you feel?
I don't want to open my mouth for fear of what foolishness might
Where's he
tumble.
hiding that box?
Would you like me to tell you what it means?
Oh, would you? Oh, I would like so much to understand.
Was das ist, war ganz schön. Aha!
There you are, you little son of a bitch.
Auf geht's.
You see all that in that little picture?
Yes.
You've given me so much to think about. I feel a trifle swoony. Would you mind if I return tomorrow for further education?
I shall
Serie
be here at
einführen.
your service. Until tomorrow.
Geh, ja, vierte. Die wirst auf jeden Fall nicht wiedersehen, glaube ich. Gut, dann.
I've located the mask.
Third time's the charm.
All right. It's best we head back to Cohen's.
Ja, jetzt gehen wir Party machen in der Disco, diese Uts da, die Song.
Fine piece of
Was
work
denn?
back with those shopkeeps. You've got a bit of the grifter in you.
For that, you can thank my father.
Oh, yeah?
He was a man comfortable in a variety of roles.
Da sind wir. Fast leicht zum Übersehen. Gut, dann wollen wir mal. Ich glaube, wir können den Club betreten.
Ah, very well. Mr. Cohen awaits your participation at his performance.
Oh, jetzt bin ich gespannt. Jetzt kommt erst einmal noch. Nicht mal Ladebalken. Krasser Scheiß.
So who is this fellow Cohen? Some sort of underworld figure?
Worse. He's an artist.
An artist who kidnaps children.
Cohen's muse is a bit more diverse. I've seen this type. Gets an idea in his head, end a conversation. Don't matter who gets hurt.
Oh, eure Putzfrau möchte von eh sein, Burschen, gell? Eieiei. Oh! Sonst geht's gut, oder?
Dance, dance, move! Move, move, that's right, that's right.
Oh, rechtes.
Conduit, open yourselves to the music, to the spirit of the eternal.
Okay.
You fail in this fashion. To embarrass me in front of my muse? My muse shall not be mocked. Fitzpatrick!
Please!
Thus, for God's sake! My muse shall not be mocked! Get them out of here! There shall be no failure on my canvas.
Okay.
There's no room in rapture anymore for the artist.
Ja, vierte. Und nicht so viel abhängen, Jungs. Ne? Oh, oh. Oh je. Oh, Bur, ich hab gehört, bei dir fällt's weiter,
Who are you?
Name's DeWitt.
Is that right? My.
Wieso die einfach so einer dürfen?
This one's a real biscuit. Isn't he a biscuit, lady?
I need to ask you a few questions.
Questions, yes. Yes. It is the work of man to ask. It is the work of the artist to answer.
You've seen this girl, haven't you?
We artists see more than most. You are more than you claim to be, little songbird. Are you not?
Little songbird.
Watch this one, DeWitt. She'll take you where you don't want to go. But I know the child.
Oh, aus aus meinem Büro.
Important.
Da ist kalt und ringt.
So
Los
many
ist.
children flit, flit, flit away. I know where the girl is. And I will send you to her. In exchange, all I ask is a dance.
What?
I see something in you two. Art strips away artifice. Show me who you are, and I will show you where you need to
Listen,
go.
Cohen, you son of a bitch.
Mr. DeWitt.
What?
Ich möchte nicht getoastet werden. Oh. Oh, rechtes.
I shudder to think what greater price he might care to extract.
Fitzpatrick!
Fitzpatrick.
Beauty and pain. They can be no more separated than birth and blood.
What do you think Cohen's customers do with the children? Do they?
Sometimes. But those types lack the capital of people like Ryan and Suchong.
That's a blessing.
You saw those little sisters? You so sure? But if Suchong had Sally, I'd know it.
How?
As I tied him to a chair and asked him.
So?
For 15 hours.
I don't know what to make of you, Mr. DeWitt.
No!
Listen, we're not gonna keep...
Fitzpatrick! I see suffering in you. I know how to shine a light on your pain. A moth will become a butterfly.
Was? Ja. Okay, da die Song. Also, ist